care. I don't care. I don't care if she goes or stays. It doesn't matter.
Save money and buy yourself a house.
Taking moving pictures so I could take home and show Lori. I'm taking a movie. So I can show Lori and the girls when I go home. Keep saying your stories.
Yeah, just don't talk about the beaver one.
No. Tell about when you called the FBI.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
That would be good to get on video.
How did you get the FBI?
Awesome. Huh?
I guess they called her back. I don't know.
They called me. They called me from the hospital. They go, lady, do you know that you're in the Queen of the Valley Hospital? Yeah, I am. Yes, you are. And you've been very sick. And the person you're talking to right now is an agent from the FBI.
Did you?
FBI, my eye.
FBI, my eye.
Yeah, I know. But Chino's around here and they got they're trying to poison me and they got some kind of conspiracy going on.
That's what she said. They had a conspiracy going on.
Did you tell them
And you should see how
And
I
she
talk
wouldn't
to
take
them.
nothing. She wouldn't take nothing from them.
No?
Nothing.
No
From
food?
The nurses, when I looked at them, I said, who are you?
Tell her mom. I said, you remember when Dad was sick how he used to treat the nurses mean and stuff and used to tell them, they're here to help you, don't be so mean and this and that and everything. I said, and then remember I said, you told me if you ever started talking and acting like Maeva and Christina to slap you, she goes, well then shoot me.
You told me that too.
You told me that too. If I ever act like Christina, you better slap me. You better slap me.
I told her to shoot me, but she didn't.
Did you tell them they broke your legs and put you there?
There's one guy that I guess he's a Thursday.
Uh-huh.
He went to go give her a drink of her soda. Goes to give her with a straw, and she goes, "Is that mine or yours?"
Tell her about that. Tell Rachel about when they put the catheter on you, Mom.
Oh no.
What happened to the catheter?
When the lady said, open up.
Oh yeah. She said, open up. We were gonna put this in you. I said, hey, I haven't opened up for nobody. Years. My husband's been gone for 25 years and I have never opened up for anybody.
And then the nurse tells her, well, you're gonna like this. And she goes, no, it's not the same.
She told me that my catheter was gonna like this.
Water's over there.
No, it doesn't even look like it. They bring me a plate of food.
Uh-huh.
It has pieces of bread on the side like that, a little bit of salad, and a big mealy like that, and I'm not that big, that's food. And I said, oh shit, I want to take that to bed with me.
Ma! Now, you see that's where I get it from. You see that? Oh God. I'm gonna make this a short clip.